Ken, Westworld Airlines is about to fall prey to a corporate raider. Word? I don't believe that. A corporate raider?